2. Pronunciation of compound vowel finals. Compound vowel finals contains of 2 or 3 vowel letters. Depends on which part of your mouth you use to make a sound. We can simply divide it into front sound compound vowel finals, which are I, A, Ow, O, these 4. When they are pronounced, the front elements O are pronounced loudly and clearly, and the back elements E, O, U are pronounced shorter and lighter. Now let's take a look. It starts from slide to E, I, just like tie in English. Next one, A, start from A, slide to E, A, just like cake, take in English. Next one, Ow, start from A, slide to O, ow, 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 just like cow, house. Okay, last one, O, start from O, slide to U, O, 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 just like coat, rose. Now let's combine the initials and terms to practice. I, mo, I, my, cơ, I, khải, cơ, I, gai, A, mo, A, mẹ, cơ, A, kệ, phu, A, phê, ao, lơ, áo, lão, cơ, ao, gạo, cơ, áo, thảo. Next one, O, cơ, ấu, khẩu, cơ, ấu, gâu, rư, ấu, râu. I, A, ow, O. These 4 are the front sound compound vowel finals. Now, let's check to next part. Okay, this part is about the pronunciation of back sound compound vowel finals. Ya, ye, wa, wa, yue. When they are pronounced, the back vowels are pronounced louder and clearer, while the formal ones are pronounced light and short, which only indicate the starting position of the compound vowels. Now, please take a look. I, a, ya. I, a, ya is like English word yard. I, ye. I, ye is like English word yeah. U, wa. U, wa is like the English word swap. U, o, wa. U, o, wa is like the English word what. U, yue. U, yue. This one we cannot find any English word that's similar to it. So as I pronounced before, start from the first vowel, move to the second vowel. The first vowel you have to pronounce it very short and fast and light. But then the back vowels you have to pronounce it very loud and emphasize it. So this is about the back sound compound vowels. Now I will combine with the initials to practice the pinyin together. So the first one, 呀呀了呀俩鸡呀家七呀掐西呀虾呀呀 Next one 耶七耶切鸡耶接西耶些呢耶捏耶耶 Okay, next one 哇吱哇抓喝哇花吃哇刷哥哇呱哇哇 Okay, next one 窝的窝多特窝托个窝锅四窝缩 So 窝窝 The last one 约呢约虐了约略鸡约撅七约缺 Okay, so those are the practice. Okay, now one more time, the back sound compound vowel finals. Ya, ye, wa, wa, yue. When you combine with the initial, it's like the consonant with the vowel together. You make it to one sound. It's very natural. Ji, ya, ja, chi, ye, che, zhi, wa, zhua, de, wo, do, ne, yue, nue. So it's very natural. You use the consonant combined with the vowel. Use your mouth to make a very smooth sound. So this is the pinyin. Okay, this part is about the pronunciation of mid-sound compound vowel finals. When they are pronounced, the middle vowel is going to pronounce the loudest one, while the formal vowels and the back vowels are pronounced weak, light, and short. So the emphasis is the middle vowel, which are yao, yao, yo, yo, y, y, wei, wei. Okay, let's check it one by one. So the first one, I, a, o, yao, 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 yao. Next one, I, o, u, yo, yo, yo. Next one, u, a, I, y, y, y. Next one, u, I, we. Okay, one more time. Yao, yo, y, we. Now, let's combine with the initial together to practice the pinyin. The first one, yao, b, yao, biao, p, yao, piao, n, yao, miao, ji, yao, jiao. Next one, yo, m, yo, miu, de, you, do, qi, you, qiu, ne, you, new. Okay, next one. Y, gy, guai, ky, kwai, hy, huai, zhy, dry. Okay, last one. Wei, dui, dui, tui, tui, sui, sui, rui, ri. Okay, those are middle sound compound vowel finals. So read after me one more time. Yao, yao, yo, yo, wei, Y, way, way. So when you pronounce it again, combine with the consonant. So the consonant directly move to the vowel. Use your mouth to make a natural sound. This is the pinyin. Okay, now let's move to the last part.